Hello everyone and welcome to English Grammar Cafe. This, that, these, those are demonstratives, and sometimes these words act as pronouns and sometimes these words act as adjectives. Now the question is, how do we come to know where they act as pronouns or where they act as adjectives? And in this video you will learn how to use this, that, these, those appropriately. And I bet you that you will learn something different in this video. So stay tuned till last and take the quiz at the end of the video to check your learning and understanding. And if you want more lessons from me, subscribe this channel right now and hit the bell to get notification of each new video. Now let's start today's lesson. Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out the objects to which they refer to. Because demonstrate means to show, to point out, and that's why these are demonstrative pronouns. So as demonstrative pronouns we have four words: this, that, these, those. For example, this is my book. That is your book. Those are your papers. So the thing which is near to you, for that particular thing we use this, and the thing which is far away or farther, we use that for that particular thing. The plural form of this is these and the plural form of that is those. So this और these हम उन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जो हमारे पास में होती हैं, and that and those हम उन चीज़ों के लिए यूज़ करते हैं जो दूर होते हैं. That with its plural form those is used to avoid repetition of a preceding noun. For example, the weather of Mumbai is like that of Pune. Here that has been used for the weather to avoid repetition of the word weather. So यहाँ that use हुआ है weather के लिए. See one more sentence. The streets of this city are worse than those of Gwalior. Again, the word those has been used here for the word streets. One more sentence. Our soldiers are better drilled than those of enemies. Again here, to avoid the repetition of the word soldiers, we have used here those. So that and those are used to avoid repetition of a noun in a sentence. Now the next rule. When two things are mentioned in a sentence, this is used for the last thing and that is used for the first one. For example, virtue and vice offer themselves for your choice. This leads to misery and that leads to happiness. Now here, this has been used for the word vice and that has been used for the word virtue. This वाइस के लिए यूज़ किया गया है और दैट वर्च्यू के लिए. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. वी हैव अरेंज्ड पेन एंड पेपर फॉर यू. दिस बिलोंग्स टू दिव्यांश एंड दैट बिलोंग्स टू परी. सो हियर दिस यूज़ किया गया है पेपर के लिए और दैट यूज़ किया गया है पेन के लिए. आई होप इट इज़ क्लियर टू यू. नाउ हाउ डू वी यूज़ दिस, दैट, दीज, दोज एज एडजेक्टिव्स, demonstrative adjectives? When these demonstratives they are followed by nouns. When they are used with nouns, then they are adjectives. For example, this pen is yours. Here this has been used with the noun pen and that's why it is adjective. Those books are mine. Here those has been used with the word books and that's why it's an adjective. Those dresses are yours. Those is adjective because it is followed by a noun, dresses. So these demonstratives, this, that, these, those are used in place of a noun. They act as pronoun. And when these demonstratives they are followed by nouns, when they are used with nouns, then they are adjectives. So I hope the difference between demonstrative pronoun and demonstrative adjective is clear to you. Here I have a mini quiz for you. Make sure you take it and check your learning. Here is the quiz. Here are the answers. Excellent. Now if you like the video, please let me know by clicking the like button. And if you have missed the previous videos in the series of pronoun, please catch them. Links have been given in the description box. So keep watching, keep learning. Bye.